Hi friends. Right now, most of the laptops, as well as for the desktop, they are not giving for MS Office. Right? We need to buy. Otherwise, they are giving for online MS Office. We have to log in and just we can use it only for some features, but it is not available for all the features. So right now, I am going to tell you some offices will be there, same like MS Office. Okay, we can use it freely. That license is also free. So let me see, many offices will be there, let office and open office, and some other office offers also will be there. It is available in the market, but freely you can download and you can utilize. But while compare with MS Office, lot of features will be not available. But over here, this open office, it is available lot of features. Let me see how what all the features will be available while compare with MS Office. Because normally lot of people, 99 percentage of people, they are utilizing for MS Office, Word, Excel and everything else, right? But other softwares, those people may not know whatever features available. In order to avoid for spending MS Office with the money, we can utilize for the other offices also. That's the reason I am going to explain this office. And over here, you're looking for the open office 4.1.10, right? I am opening here. I will give in the description below how you can download this one in a free way. Okay, you can click that link and you can download it. Okay, suppose if you are buying for new laptop, or else your in your system it is not available for MS Office, in a sense, at least you can utilize those things. Okay, for a simple purpose you can utilize all those things. Now we are going to install this one. Already I downloaded, I installed. Now we are going to set up this one. Okay, see here, welcome to Office 4.1.10. The wizard will guide you through the registration of Open Office. Click next to continue. That is what giving here. Just you can give us new. That is next. Okay, just you can type it for first name as well as for the last names. Okay, then give us finish. Okay, it's uploading. See here, it's available. It's a easy way of installation. This software has been given by Apache. Okay, Apache Software Foundation, it's giving this software. Okay, and over here, text documents, spreadsheet and presentation, drawing, database, formulas and other templates will be available. Okay, now you can open it here for the text document. Let me check how it will be showing. See here, I'm opening. Okay, suppose in a simple way, you want to install for MS Office, you need for Word document, in a sense, easily you can install in a fraction of second this one. Okay, and you can, if you want to type it, in a sense, you can type it, same thing, same features will be available. Example, I'm typing here something like that. Okay, and I want to save this file. You can give us save as. Okay, over here it is available for OTF text document. But in order to convert MS Office, okay, MS Office, if you want to convert, just you can go here for save type as, and you can select for MS Office 97 and 2000 document, and you can choose as desktop and you can save it. Uh, Give a save and close this. Keep current formats. Yes. Okay, just see here, it is saved. Just if you're opening this one, because we are spending $9 in a month, all right, each and every day. While I'm posting right now, the MS Office per month we need to spend for $9 for the premium person. Okay, in the online we can use as the same thing, which we are opening here. No, Open Office as the same kind of functions will be available. But in the online, all time we are having internet or not, that I'm not sure, right? Even though for the offline also we need to use these things. That's the reason downloaded this one, because I bought this laptop as new. It is not available for Windows. That's the reason, in a short term, I have downloaded this Office. I am utilizing it. It is user friendly only. While compare with the MS Office, it is user friendly only. Okay, already document will be opened. Okay, all those things. If you want to convert into PDF, easily you can convert into PDF. Many options will be available here. Okay, if you're converting into same like more or less same like a Word document. Okay, suppose if you're downloading, in a sense you could know all the features and how you're typing it, how you're putting for table, many features will be available. This is what the Word document. Now I am closing this one. Let me open it for spreadsheet. Let me see how it will be. Open it, spreadsheet. Okay, spreadsheet has been opened. See here, more or less everything will be same, right? Sheet 1, sheet 2. And if you want to type any documents or any data, just you can type it and give us save us, same thing. Earlier we have because ODF spreadsheet will not open for other work. Suppose other people, if you're sharing this document, in a sense we cannot assure it will be open or not. That's the reason every time we have to save it for MS Office XLS, right? MS Excel 97 2000 XP. That is XLS format it will get. Just you can click this one, you can save it. Okay. And if you want to send some other friends and those who are not having this open Office, suppose if they are having for Windows, in a sense automatically it will open. Now I am closing this one. See here, the spreadsheet, it's available. As the same way, if you're going for presentation also, let me see for PPT. Because most of the people, they will use these three things: PPT, Word, as well as for the Excel, right? An empty presentation from template and open. Okay, empty presentation only required, just you can give it as next. And for original black and white blue borders, just based upon the color. Okay, whatever color is required, based upon that you can choose and give us okay and create. See here, right now it has opened for the PPT presentation, same like. And insert, what is a slide, and formatting will be there, and tools. And in order to insert for the charts, everything available. If you want to change the slide color, everything will be there. This will be the free one, as well as for the user friendly. Many tools is also available for the PPTs. Okay, just if you want for the MS Office, 80 percentage we are using these three things only, right? Only 20 percentage of people they will utilize for access and other things and all. But major use, if you want for a free manner, in a sense, just you can download and use it. Okay, this is very nice. Okay, this is a way. And if you want to insert for the pictures, you can insert. And for the icons, diagrams, everything will be there. Okay, if you want to make for thumbnail in the PPT, you can use it for thumbnail also. In the YouTube thumbnail, you can make it in PPT. That is very easier. You don't want to download any other applications, any other software, nothing else. In an easy way you can make it. Suppose if you want how to make thumbnail in the YouTube, you can give a comment below. I will explain to you in one video how we can make a thumbnail for the YouTube. Okay, and whatever likes you are giving, that will be the most motivational for me to do more videos. Okay, I think see here, this is what the PPT, everything will be available, and this will be the user friendly only. Okay, this is a way. And if you want all the features, just you can download and use it. And whatever will be required, just make use of it. Okay, this is a way you can use it for open Office. I think this small introduction will be enough for you. Suppose anybody not having Office in your laptop, for MS Office, that is MS Office 2019 and all, it will take time for installation, right? And we need to spend amount also. But this one, it is very this one is very free. As well as offline also, you can use this one, open Office. And many features will be available over here. It is similar to MS Office also, so you can use and comment below it is useful or not. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. And if it is useful, you can give a thumbs up. As well as you are a new user, please subscribe my channel, as well as you can share to your friends also. Thank you, bye.